But this is going to be a quick video on the easy way of installing it, not through the firewall, but on the body of the car. Let's go. One, you already have everything installed. All right, remember, check the card right here to see how to install it onto the harness. But this is the easy install through the outside of the car. You're going to open up your brake fluid cover. All right, you're going to find your Jb4. Right? You got your Jb4. Now remember, you're going to want to connect this harness to the OBD2 harness that's supposed to go through the grommet, but we're not going to go through the grommet. We're going to go this way. Step is, find the OBD2 port right here. Plug it in. Plug this in to the OBD2 port. Plugged in to the OBD2. You're going to take the line. Yes, this is, and you're going to run it all the way along here. What you want to do next is you're going to want to run it right here, guys. Yes, I'm going to try to zoom in. You see right here? Push it. Your fender's going to lift up a little bit, but push it through. Boom. Step done. Take off this clip. Pop it. Reflect head. Pardon this freaking guy in the background. He keeps freaking trying to hold a conversation, but watch me what I'm doing. People are annoying. Alright? Pop that out. Boom. Boom. That's going to allow you, now, move that out the way. Don't lose the clip. Move it out the way. So you're going to push it back. Push it back. And pull the harness out. Pull this out. Now you should be able to continue to push the harness more and more to you.
Obviously, a lot.
Part of this guy that's talking in the background. Can you see the harness now, guys? You're going to push the wire. You're going to feed the wire through. More, and more. To the point that you can get it. So, I fed a lot in. Boom. See the wire? Pull it through now. See? Got it. Do next, reinstall this back. You could do it at the end too, but I'm going to do it on video just because. Make sure the clips are all back in. Take this harness and you could either have it run through here or you could have it run under here. So let me show you how you do that. Remember, move the clips out the way. There you go. Pop it up. See? It pops up. Alright? Throw it under there. Pardon, guys. Pardon this guy in the background. He just wants to hold a fucking full-fledged conversation. Sorry for the cursing. You didn't hear that. Pull it through, and that's it. Push it back down. Everything's run through the fender space. You clip everything back together. You don't have to put it under here if you really don't want to. You can put it on top and try to close the cover on top of it, but I just wanted to be under just in case there's a little space for it to clip in properly. But make sure you connect the harness to it, turn on the car and turn on the Jb4 and make sure everything's running properly. Also, close the clip. You see? Goes through here. Harness is way below that, and everything here closes doesn't necessarily touch each other. So some people probably want this to be a little cleaner, but this is probably a 5-minute install. Literally 5-minute install. All right, some people might not like the wires. You can clean it up. You can unclip this, or try to maybe pull this seal and have it under there, but then this is like a water seal too, or air and water seal, so, and road noise seal, so you don't really want to disconnect that. If you want, you could put some tape, have it taped over here. You can do whatever you want, but at this moment it's a 5-minute install, so it's relatively easy. Close the door, no issues, no problems. All right.